Hello friends, this is video number 2 in seating arrangement. So first we have solved the IBPS 2013 question. This is also IBPS 2012 question which we would solve now. The question says 8 person A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are sitting in a circular arrangement. B sits second to the left of H's husband. No female is an immediate neighbor of B. B's daughter sits second to the right of F. F is sister of G. F is not an immediate neighbor of H's husband. One person sits between A and F. A is father of G. His brother D sits immediate left of H's mother. One person sits between H's mother and E. One person sits between H and G. G is mother of C. G is not an immediate neighbor of E. So when we read this question first time in our exam, we find it very confusing. So let us understand why this question is confusing. Then we could solve it or we could find out a way to solve it. तो हमें ये समझना होगा कि ये क्वेश्चन हमें कंफ्यूजिंग क्यों लग रहा है. ये क्वेश्चन कंफ्यूजिंग इसलिए लग रहा है क्योंकि पहली चीज़ तो ये है कि हमें पोजीशंस गिवन है रिलेशनशिप्स के टर्म में. हमें ये नहीं पता ए बी के साथ कैसे बैठा है. हमें ये पता है ए बी की मदर के साथ कैसे बैठा है. तो हमें पता होना चाहिए कि बी की मदर कौन है. तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में फॉर क्वेश्चंस ऑफ दिस टाइप वी हैव टू draw a family tree. So this question has two concepts in it. First is a family tree and second is a circular arrangement. In family tree we are assuming males as positive, females as negative. So we would draw a family tree and correspondingly we would also draw a circular arrangement. B sits second to the left of H's husband. So let us assume here is H's husband second. Then B sits second to the left. So H's husband is facing towards the center and B sits second to the left. So he is sitting this way. So left would be this way and B is sitting here. Okay. No female is an immediate neighbor of B. So we would say positive sign here and a positive sign here. D's daughter sits second to the right of F. So we don't know where F is. F is sister of G. So after this point we are not able to make out how this seating arrangement would be. So we have to make a family tree. So first relationship we could find is F is sister of G. So we make a relationship like G and sister. F is negative. A is father of G. So let's say A positive father. H's brother D sits to the immediate left of H's mother. So H, we don't know who H is, but H has a brother. H has a brother D. And from the first statement we see H's husband. So H must be a lady. And then we see that mother. Don't know the name of mother, question mark, but we know she's a lady. So these are two different tree diagrams. We don't know the relationship still between them. G is the mother of C. G is the mother of C. So she is also a lady and she is mother of C. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have got 7%. There would be one more person. F is sister of G. G is mother of C. He is not an immediate neighbor of E. So the last person remaining is D's daughter. D's daughter sits second to the right of F. So D's daughter would be somewhere here. D is father and C is daughter. So we don't know the name. Double question mark, but we know she's a daughter. So a negative sign. So by making this family tree, still we don't know the relationship. We have a family tree this and a family tree this. But between these two, how they are connected, we still don't know. So we can find out F is a lady, G is a lady, C we are not sure. A is a male, female, female, male, and then this is also a female. So from our questions we can make out H is husband, so he is a male. Positive, positive, there are two males, so there are three males. According to the diagram we have three males, but in the family tree still we have got two males only. So the last person remaining, C, would be a male. So G is mother to C. So C is the son of G. So now we know that there are three male and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 females. So we know he is a male, female, 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 female. So now we know where are all males sitting, where are all females sitting. At least we are sure of this. So again we would come back to this. B sits second to the left of H's husband. This we have already made. This is H's husband, this is B. B's daughter sits second to the right of F. B's daughter, we don't know who she is, but she sits second to the right of F. So F is sister of G. F is not an immediate neighbor of H's husband. So H's husband sits here. So F could not be this and could not be this. So F is either this, this, and this. And F is a lady. So how to find out the exact position of F? It says D's daughter sits second to the right of F. So assuming F sits here, her right would be this side. So D's daughter sits second to the right of F, which is right. So if F sits here, then D's daughter would be sitting here. She's also female. But if F sits here, then second would be this. This is a male, so it cannot be this position. Similarly, so F could be these two. I'm not sure about which one is F still. Now it says one person sits between A and F. So if F is this, then one person sits between A and F. Then one person would be either this way, either this is A or this is A. But this is B, this cannot be A. And this is negative and A is positive, so this cannot be A. So we ruled out this F. So we are sure that F sits on this position. This is very important. I would repeat how to find out the position of F. So F could be, because F doesn't sit near to H's husband, so F could not be this, F could not be this, F could not be this, F could not be this because F is a lady. So F is this, this, this. These three positions are left. So first statement says F is not an immediate neighbor of H's husband, and D's daughter sits second to the right of F. So if we assume F as here, Then second to the right comes here a male, but the sentence says D's daughter, so it has to be a female if F is here. So we rule out this F. Similarly, this says a person sits between A and F. A is father of G. So A is a male, and one person sits between A and F. So if we assume this is B and if this is F, then this has to be A, but this is not a male. So F has to be this. So one person sits between A and F. A is father of G. So here we got A, because one person between A and F, and he is a male. A is a male because A is father of G. So A, G's father, and H is husband. Now, because we have found A as the connecting link in this, so he is G's father and H is husband. So now they are interrelated to each other. Now this forms a proper family tree. They are husband, then they have a daughter, sister, and again a son, mother, brother, and then again a daughter. So the family tree is complete. So now we see, now we have confirmed A, we have confirmed F, we have confirmed D. H's brother D sits immediate left of H's mother. So H's brother has to be either this or this. So it says H's mother sits to the left. So if I am sitting like this, so the mother has to be either this or this. For this person, his left is on this side. For this person, left is on this side. So again, by male, female, we could see this person is a male. So he has to be H's brother D. So he has to be D, H's brother. And this has to be the mother. Mother is B. So again, we check A, B, C, D, only E is missing. So E comes here. E comes here as the daughter of D. Now we are sure of 1, 2, 3, 4 positions. One person sits between H's mother. H's mother is B and E. So E comes here. One person sits between H and G. One person sits between H and G. H is a female. G is also a female. So H and G would be here and here. G is not an immediate neighbor of E. So G would be here. And this would be H. And then the remaining would be C is here. Just to check, C is a male, male, D is a male, male, and A is a male. So this is the family tree that we got, and this is the circular arrangement we got. After this, solving this, there would be questions: who is sitting next to A, who is sitting next to G, who is sitting second to the right of G, who is sitting second to the left of F. So there are questions like this: who is the say grandparent of C, which is A. So there are questions like this which could be easily solved from these two diagrams. So the point here I am trying to make is that this might take a little time for you to practice and master it, but once if you know this thing, there were 7 questions based on this particular. So if you could take 7-8 minutes in solving this, then I think you're good to go. Keep practicing, keep watching videos. Thank you so much.